Alright guys, so I was just working on a little project my son and I are doing, building a little fort, and I was using my little giant MightyLite 4-foot step stool, and this thing is just great. Like, it's perfect for something like that. You don't have to go too high on it, but it's super sturdy, it's super light, super strong. It has some spots up here you can put screws, nails, hammer, whatever you need to put in here. It just, works fantastic. I've had it for, I think, a couple years, and it's, like the day I got it. Like I said, you can put a hammer in there, tools in there, and then it's real easy. It folds up just like this, like has a little handle. Just pull it, and boom, you're good to go. Can't recommend this ladder enough. It's the little giant MightyLite.